Hey you, are you looking for a portable gaming monitor? Well, this video is for you. Let's go. Hello everybody, and today we've got a great package because in this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing a portable monitor. So while I unbox this, let me introduce myself if you're new to this channel and who I am and what I do. My name is Roro Savior. Okay, this is not what we're reviewing. Got this. And here is the product that we will be reviewing today. It is the Lepow. It has a super long name. It's the this is the Lepow 15.6 computer display with full HD, and it also comes with USB Type-C, which I don't have, and it does MIDI HDMI to HDMI. At work I have a laptop that I bring around with me all the time, and at home I use 3 monitors, so I would like to have another screen, but at my desk, which I hardly sit at, I have 3 screens or 2 screens, but I'm always in the lab and I wanted to use this for work and other purposes, such as at home, or if I want to play my Switch in the bed, or if I'm going to my friend's place or my cousin's place or any place, I can like use this. But I'm not sure if this is powered via the HDMI input or the Type-C input, or it has an external power and adapter. So we'll find out. That's why you're watching this video, so you can get a nice and easy review from a real. So the box just comes up like this. Wow, this is such nice packaging. Oh, and they even give you a screen protector. That is super nice. And then we have the screen itself. So what I like about this is that I wanted to get it because it has also a cover that's foldable and it can act as a stand. Because, you know, I ain't gonna buy a screen or a portable monitor if I can't stand it up. So this thing can bend and it's magnetic, and that's one of the things that I liked about the Lepow compared to the other options on Amazon or eBay or wherever you're gonna buy this. So you just open it up, you have one for the screen, and then you have the second back. Oh, snaps! Okay, wait a second. That folds so you can like make it stand. Or this thing needs an external power supply. So there's 2 sides where you have a Type-C. So this is for the power and this is for your device. And it also has a mini HDMI on that side. So let me get my mini HDMI since I don't have one. I got a pretty long one, which is probably a mistake. So we're gonna have to go to my room, or I can just bring my stuff here, so I'll be right back. So on the left here, we have the Lepow 15.6 FHD portable monitor, and it's hooked up to my computer via HDMI to mini HDMI. And you can see over here on the right that I have this USB Type-C adapter plugged into my wall. So I'm just gonna show you how the monitor looks like and what features it has. So I'm just gonna play this trailer of this game that I'm interested in called Genshin Impact. So over here on the right, there's a little knob, not a knob, but a slider that you can adjust the volume, and you can see on the left that the volume is 0, and it goes pretty loud, and this is as loud as it gets. Now on the right side of the portable monitor, where you use the USB Type-C for charging it, you use the gear potentiometer to toggle between volume and contrast. Going down, adjust the volume, and going up, adjust the contrast, and then clicking it twice you can change the input to HDMI or Type-C. Both of these are running at 60 Hz, so you won't see much of a difference, but this only runs at 60 Hz, and depending on what kind of laptop you have, you could probably run at a higher frame rate. What else is interesting? Yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Remember, it's around $150, or you could pick up one that's much cheaper but has lower resolution. As I mentioned before, this is full HD, so 1920 by 1080. Which I highly recommend if you're going to do portable gaming or just need an extra monitor for work. If you're wondering why they're the same, I just have it mirroring at the moment, but you could definitely change that. So I can do extend, and there we go. You have 2 different screens, and then I could just drag this over there. Just like that. Also, I decided to try it out at work, and it turns out that you can connect the USB Type-C to a USB port or USB hub that's connected to your laptop or device, and it will power on the monitor, which I was very happy about. All in all, the Lepow portable monitor is something that I like personally, and if you're looking for it or looking to buy one, I would highly recommend it. For the price point of around 150 USD. I believe it was worth it, and I'm finding it very useful in many places that I go out somewhere and need an extra monitor. So as always, I'm going to leave some links in the description below or above or to the left or to the right, and I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to have a fantastic day.